Hello friends, this is Rahul Mingde. Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for latest updates. In this video, I am going to write a C program to determine whether a string is palindrome or not. The complete program is displayed on the screen. You can see the program. So three header files are used: stdio.h, conio.h, string.h. So string.h, this special header file is used because this header file consists of some functions like string copy, string reverse, then string compare. For that we have used .h, string.h header file, then main function void main, after that curly bracket, open curly bracket, then character str20 comma s20. Okay, so two strings are taken, string 1 and string 2. Okay, and the data type used is character, that's why char is used. Then clear screen function is used to clear the output window. Then printf function is used to display this statement, that is enter the string, and this string is taken from the user. For that this statement is displayed on the output screen, enter the string. Then to store the string, scanf function is used and that string is stored in str. Then string copy function is used to copy the string stored in str to s. That means the contents of str are copied to s. Now we can say after this both the s and str consist of same data or same string. Then reverse the string. We reverse the string. This strrev function is used to reverse the string. So str, that means the string which is stored in str is reversed by using this function. Then to print that reverse string we use printf function. So reverse string is %s comma str. That means reverse string is displayed on the output screen. After this we compare the string. For that we use string compare function. So if else condition is used. So if string compare str comma s, that means reverse string and the string which is stored in s, if both are equal, both are same, then printf the string is palindrome. That means if both the string are same, then we can say the string is palindrome. Else if the contents are not same, okay, reverse string and the string stored in s, if that both the strings are not same, that means the string is not palindrome. For example, if we put mom in str, okay, then that str is copied to yes, that means mom is copied to yes, then both yes and str consist of mom word. Then reverse the string. If we reverse mom word, then it is same, that is mom. Then we display that string, and after that we compare the string str and yes. Okay, so both the consist of mom. Then if both the string are same, that means the string is palindrome. If that string are not same, that means not palindrome. Okay, so this is the complete program. Then compile the program. No warnings or errors. After that, run the program. Then suppose enter the string mom, then, or you can enter madam also. Enter. Okay, so reverse string is madam and this string is palindrome because both the string are same, or the reversed and entered string is same. Okay, we could take one more example. Father. Okay, so reverse string is REHTAF and entered and reverse string are not same, that means it is not palindrome. Thank you.